Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Spigen rugged armor case for the iPhone 11. By the way, over here, this clear case with the camo design, I'm going to be uploading next and showcasing what it looks like, what it feels like, especially what it looks like on the phone, because it does look amazing. Inside, cutouts, nice. Sides, there's like no branding on the sides, just that branding right there. And I know it looks like it's kind of like a sandpaper feeling, but it's actually smooth. And these little lines, ridges, carbon fiber right here, which is nice. And the feel, as you can see, I can bend this case a lot. Not much on the sides, but like just about like this way I can bend it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my video, because I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to build my channel to 100 subscribers. It's hard, but you know, I just gotta keep doing what I gotta do because I love doing this, so I'm just gonna do it. Not even gonna worry about subscribers. Just make my videos and show the world what these cases can do. And all these little gadgets, clicky buttons. Alright. As you guys can hear that, you can actually click them. And I can also reach this volume rocker, as some of you guys want to call it, mute button, toggle. It's just a little clicky button that every case allows you to reach. I don't know why, you know, no one's going to make a case where you can't reach that properly. Especially Spigen. They know what they're doing. Does it charge wirelessly? Yes, it does. So that answers your question. And we all want to know what it looks like on the bottom. I know I do most of the times when I want to buy a case. Focus. God damn it. Yeah, you can see it now, no, maybe. But lips. Can you get a lip? Give me a lip reading. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, now it's good. Let me see if I can get the bottom now. Yeah, slow motion for me. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. I'm sure it'll be well protected though if I did drop it, but I'm not gonna do it. Yep, and this is it. The link to this case will be in the description below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to help get me to 100 subscribers, because that's my goal. And then I'm gonna quit YouTube. 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching. This is Low-Key Fanatic, and I'm out.